Hi everyone, and welcome back to my Pandora world on YouTube. I hope you're having a good day and that everything is okay with you. So today I have a kind of different video to show you. I'd like to show you my mini designs, my bangles or the bracelets where I don't exactly tell a story, but that I love to match up with my other bracelets where I tell a story. I like stocking a full bracelet with a mini design or with a bangle. I really like to complement colors or just to have some sort of a continuation of the story itself. So for the way I stuck my bracelet, I already made a video last year. Bimbo's gonna link it here for you, and so you can see my idea about how stocking, how I want to see colors pop, etc, etc. So then let's go and check out my mini designs. Okay, here we are. She's so happy, and we're starting showing you my bangles with no charms on. So I'm gonna move Bimba for the moment. You can still see her shoes, so she's around. Okay, I'll begin with this one that you know already. It's my mesh bangle from last Christmas, was a limited edition, and at the moment I wear it without any charms on, but I think that during the Christmas period I will add something to it from the new collection, because you know my Christmas bracelet is full already, but every Christmas I like getting new charms. So yeah, this stays this way at the moment, and I tend to pair it with the other limited edition from 2 years ago, which is empty too, but in Christmas I'm gonna add something for sure. And another limited edition, which wasn't a gift with purchase, was this bracelet that I really love. It was kind of an impulse purchase, but I am so in love with it, and sometimes I wear the three of them together with no charms, but still they're telling, I'm gonna zoom in a little, the lovely story of the Christmas night, because there are different ways to conceive a Christmas star, you see. And I think it's so beautiful and delicate, and it works very well without charms. So these are my three Christmas bangles. I'm gonna move them on the side. Then I have another limited edition, which is the 1 in a million bracelet, which goes without charms. And then there is this other limited edition of 2-3 years ago, it was 2018, yeah. I'm gonna zoom you in a bit. These were last year and 2 years ago limited edition bangles for Mother's Day. So this one I like wearing it with my heart clip, because I always wanna wear a heart in the middle, you know. And with my initial charm, which was a gift from dear friend for my birthday. So I like to wear it this way. And then there is my Beauty and the Beast bangle. That's called my Serenity bangle. I really love the clasp. The clasp is so delicate. I really love it. It's super delicate and super sparkly. So yeah, it works well. And I added my radiant heart in opalescent purple or pink, I don't know, lilac, and light as a feather charm, and it really looks like a very serene and calming design to look at, and yeah, I love it. I really like it. It's a nice statement piece, even if it's very simple. I really like it. Then we go in my Pandora Rose world. This is the padlock one. I got it during the winter sales, and I am so in love with it. At the moment I'm wearing it solo, mostly paired with my rose bangle, and rose bangle is a simple design, elegant and like light. I don't know, I want to think that sometimes the dragonfly flies away and brings the whole bracelet with it. Yeah, it's a fantasy, I know, but I like pairing this together. Again, very simple. There is this beautiful dragonfly living close to her Murano glass, and yeah, I really like it. the two of them together or even solo. But I think it's a very nice match if you want to have the kind of Pandora rose kind of day. So yay! I love it too. And then moving on to my essence, I have two essence. I have this one, which is the bangle, and the bangle has the love, the caring, the health, and the creativity bead. No, sorry, the sensitivity bead. I want to add the creativity bead, but I haven't found it yet. I found it last year at an outlet, and then I said, no, I spent enough already. I'm past it for the moment, and then I regret it, so... But I'll find it sooner or later. I was lucky, I found this one half price. All of these were all on sale. It was super discounted, so it was really a good deal, and I'm still waiting to add the creativity charm because I really want to imagine this bracelet with positive values, caring, loving, being sensitive to other people's needs, or the health, because it's very important. So yeah, I really love this essence bangle. And then there's my essence bracelet that you know already from my previous videos. I really wanted to create a pearlescent design. Again, values I care about: the dignity, the loyalty, the wisdom, and the generosity. I really like these charms, the way they all work together. They really give me the idea of staying true to myself and all the values I want to live according to during my life. So this is really a composition I like, and I wouldn't add anything anymore to this because it's perfect. I used to have the health charm on it, but then I thought that five charms were too much, so I got the bangle and I developed a new project on it. But really I'm happy about my essence collection, and I'm so sad that Pandora discontinued this series, because I think it was really a nice statement series, really nice and delicate. So yeah. And I'm almost done. As per Mini Design, I have my leather bracelets. You know this one already. You could see it in my winter sales video. Bimba's gonna link it here. I really like mixing and matching. This is not a definite design. I'm probably going to move pieces here and there in other designs, but at the moment it stays this way. I like mixing the materials, the shine, the rose, and the silver in a leather bracelet, which looks kind of boho, but still very elegant, with the Grain of Energy charm here in the middle as a statement piece. Guys, I'm so sorry today, the focus is really driving me crazy. I hope you can see it well. I'm gonna, yay, focus you a little bit better. Yeah, I really like the different materials together. Yeah, happy with this. And then there's the other, so you're back. Yep, sorry, I'll move this on the side. And then there is the pink leather bracelet, which is the bracelet of the things I like. You know, heart in the middle. I got this from Valentine's Day from my partner, because I like receiving gifts, especially if it's a gift from someone who loves me. I love traveling, and I got I really love the suitcase. I got it for my birthday from my partner. Yay! And I love coffee. I love Starbucks, so I think this coffee to go charm is really what looks more like a Starbucks coffee to go. So this is so beautiful. I really like it. And then I like hearts and pink, as every little girl says, what's your favorite color? Pink. And which shape do you like? Hearts. It reminds me when I was little. And then you've just seen this this clip from my summer sales. Bimba again is gonna link you the video here. And that's it. This is the bracelet of the things I like. I'm not gonna add anything anymore to it, because it looks perfect the way it is. Again, not a definite design. I might move things from here to other projects in the future, but so far so good. Bimba approves, and these are my mini designs, and I really hope you enjoyed them. And that was it for this video, guys. I hope you had a nice time with me as I had with you. He's still drinking a lot of coffee. There's nothing I can do. I cannot interfere. I'm starting getting a little bit worried though, but so far I keep things under control. My assistants are sending you a big kiss. They're almost ready to go on holiday. They're very excited about it. And I will see you on my next video. Thanks again for all your lovely comments and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye guys. Thank you from all of us.